Welcome to 1 week online faculty development program on use of ICT in teaching learning. OBS is very important software. So today we are going to discuss about OBS, Open Broadcaster software. Before the installation of OBS, you have to update your system. For that purpose, go to the start menu and click search here update. So click on window update button. This window getting open. Now click on check for update buttons. As soon as you click on this check for update button, number of update for your systems are there. Update all your system, and now for successful completion of update, your system is ready for OBS installation. Now go to the Google and type there OBS. Press enter. This page is open. Click on this button. So that is the downloading page of OBS. So always update the latest version. Here 26 April is the latest version for OBS. On basis of your operating system, Windows, MacBook, Linux. So these are demo version at the downside. Now number of participant having the window update operating system. Click on window button. At extremely left hand side, the downloading is takes place. After the downloading of this button, it getting download to your download section. Now go to the download button and double click on this OBS. Now process is going on. So now check here, verifying installer. Now you have to click on the next button. Again next. And then install button. Now your OBS is getting installed. It takes some time for installation purpose. As soon as all installation is complete, it create one icon. So it takes some time. Now click on the finish button. As you click on finish button, this the interface of the OBS system. It consists of file, edit, view, profile, scene collection, tools and help. Scenes is there, sources, audio mixer and controls. Start streaming, start recording, studio mode, setting and exit. So in this OBS, start recording, sources and show recording. These three terms are very important. Again check. Start recording, sources and in file section show recording. These terms are very important. Now in this FDP we are going to learn about these 7 type of recordings. Face recording is there. Image recording, image plus face recording, screen plus face recording, image slideshow and image slideshow plus face recording. Now discuss about the first section, that is called face recording. For that purpose, click on the add button. If you have to add any source, you have to click on add, and if you have to remove the source, you have to click on the minus. Now click on the add button, just click, and for remove, negative sign. Face recording, we have to start out of this 7. So click on the plus button. Number of sources are there. Out of these sources, you have to click on the video capture device. Click on the OK button. Now your webcam is getting open, and name of your webcam at the top. Click on OK. Now your face is there. So by using cursor, you reduce the size. So it is the first number of recording, that is called only the face recording section. So if you want to remove, just click on the image. So if you want to delete this image, just click, go to the remove, and then yes. So therefore check at the sources, your image getting deleted. Now increase the size of your face recording by using the cursor, increase or decrease. Again second option is there, just go to the transform, go to the rotation button, check that the face is getting rotated. To do this undo, click to rotate 90 ccw, it comes to original shape. Again go to the transform, again select any sections, for rotations CW and for opposite CCW. So now click on the fit to the screen. Now your face is totally fit to the screen. Again go to the transform, stretch to the screen, the face is getting totally stretched to the screen. Again transform, already it is now consider fit to the screen part. So this face recording is very important. Now by using your cursor, it is very easy to change the shape. So if you want to remove, just click on this button, click on minus sign, remove, and then OK sections. So it is the first type of recording, and that recording it is called the face recording section. Now second number section is there, that is called your image recording. So check how many, where is you have to find image, find the image in this section. First we complete video capture device, then you have to click webcam is getting open, that is under the source video capture device. Now click on image, now click on the OK, again click on the browse button. Now select your image, where is the location of your image. So I am click on this section, click on OK button. So therefore it is your image. As you observe on this screen, first we complete the face recording, now second number is going on, that is image recording part. So again number of things is getting common. Again if you want to add again extra image, click on image, or select only one. All procedure is similar with the face recording. Go to the transform, fit to the screen, the image is getting fit to the screen. Again right click, Go to the transform, stretch to the screen. The image is totally stretched to the screen, so it is under the face recording section. Now by using the cursor, go to the add button, click on image. Now check the name, image number 2, already one image. Now you are adding extra, so therefore image number 2 is there. So you click on OK. Again click on the browse button, select the image of your interest, click on OK button. So there are already two images are there, but on display only one image is showing, so therefore we have to reduce the size of both so that it should be visible. Two images should be visible to each other or visible to us. It is OBS, and this one is again image. So simultaneously two images are there. So whenever we have to, in botany and zoology, some image and their explanation, so this point is very important for teaching image and their all explanation on one side. So therefore we are taking this point in this FDP, explanation, and beside explanation image is also there. Now delete the first image, go to the image, click on that image, then minus sign, then remove, yes button. So therefore this image is getting removed. Now we have to insert face with this button. It is an image, so go to the plus button, go to the video capture, click on OK button. This webcam is getting open. I am having Toshiba webcam, so go to the down or click on OK button. So here with the image face is also there, so this image and face. When you have to explain any image in botany or in zoology or in microbiology, if any charts are there, so you explain with the help of this image, as well as at the corner your face is also there. So this OBS is very important. And if you want to remove, just click on that section, go to the negative and go to the click on video negative, and then yes, so that video capture source is getting removed. And if you want to remove this image, then there are two options. Click on the image section, go to the remove section, or click here, click on the minus sign and directly go from that part, remove, click on yes. Both having the same meaning. Right click remove or click on the minus sign, both having the same meaning. Now go to the addition of source button. We have to discuss the display capture method. So go to the display capture, click there, click on this OK button, care should be taken, this capture cursor should be there. Click on OK. So by using this method, your all display getting capture. So therefore it is called display capture or screen recording. This one is very simple. Now click on the start recording part. Now you have to show anything to the student. Go to the Google or check it is the OBS Studio main page for downloading. After downloading, such type of messages are there. And again click on the next section. Search anything of your subject interest. I am going to show you our college. So this is the base main site of our college. It is our main page, Dr. Khai College Gadinglich. So all things are here, and check here. The link is already given for 1 week online faculty development program on use of ICT in teaching learning. Maximum contents are in Marathi language. So by using this section, click on stop recording, and if you want to show this recording or you have to want to check your recording, go to the file, show recording part, and the last number. So click on that button. Sometimes it takes. Again check. Same methods are there. Whatever show on the screen, it is record. So this method it is called screen recording section. So screen recording section is there. Display capture. It capture all the display. It capture all the display. Yes, to the screen recording. So go to the video capture device. Click on the OK button. Webcam is there. Click on OK button. My face is here. So directly select the image and start your recording. Now again go to the Google. Again similar thing with the screen recording. Here only one difference is there. Your face is there. So therefore get return back to OBS. Check your face is here. Now click on stop recording part. Go to the file section. Go to the show recording part and just click on the last one. So check, my face is already there beside the content. So it is called the screen recording with the face recording section. So again come to the original part. Then remove. So this content is getting removed. Now very important point of this OBS is a image slideshow. Care should be taken whenever you have to deal with the slideshows. You have to convert your PPT into JPG format. So for this purpose, go to the image slideshow button, click on the OK button. Now this interface is coming. Go to the down. Go to the down. Here image files are there. So click on the plus button. Two options are there. Add files. Click on add files button. Now select the folder where you have placed your PPT in JPG format. So here these three PPTs are there. Select all three and click on the OK button. So check the numbering. Care should be taken. The number should be in increasing order: 0, 1, 2 and 0, 1 and 2. So click on the OK button. Now the time between the slide you are going to adjust. Transition speed again going to loop means after last slide first slide is coming, so that is called the loop. Again go to down, click on OK button. Now you have to adjust the screen resolution. Go to the transition, then fit to the screen. So this section is getting fit to the screen, and again all these slides are moving automatic. For conversion of this automatic into manual, click here, go to the properties, and here in slide mode, go to the properties again. In the slide mode, automatic is there, so click here and change to manual. When you click there, slide mode manual, use hotkeys to control slideshow. Use hotkeys to control slideshows. Click on OK button. Now you have to assign the hotkeys for this PPT. Now your PPT, it is at this place. So now find the hotkeys. Go to the setting part, and so here you have to find number of options. Click on hotkeys. Click on hotkeys. Now find where is the image slideshow. So here image slideshow button is there. So next slide you have to assign some keys. Right side arrow key for assign for next slide. Right side arrow keys in your laptop or PC, and left side, if you have to show the previous slide, click on the left arrow keys. Next slide, right arrow key, and previous left hand side. Click on the OK button. Previous slide left keys, next slide right keys, very important, otherwise your JPG is unable to move. Go to the hotkeys, image slideshow. Now press OK button. First apply and then OK. So now click on the right arrow keys. it is moving. The 4C of education: communication, critical thinking, creativity, collaboration. And back is previous slide is there. So this is very important whenever you are going to show the image slideshow, and you have to change the position manually by using the hotkeys. So therefore these are the 5 steps. So some PPT is there in JPG format. First number slide. If you have to move forward, right arrow key, and if you have to go backward, that keys. Now we have to apply the face along with slideshow. So click here. Similar with the previous section, face you have to assign by using the webcam. Click on the OK button. Now you have to decrease the size of the face, and you have to adjust to extremely your left hand side or right hand side, depend upon your interest. So click on this image and going to extremely this side, inside the lower side. Then stop your recordings. Actually start your recordings. Then you have to explain all your PPT with the help of your face and show all your detailed informations. Simultaneously, all your explanation is getting saved in this folder. So it is very important tools. Image slideshow. Instead of using normal slideshows, use this OBS slideshow along with your face. So click on the stop recording. After your lectures, your recording getting stopped, and go to the files, show recording. There is your recording of your all explanation. So directly save this recording and send via WhatsApp or email to the student. So it is very good to use this image slideshow plus face recording. So if you want to remove, click on the video capture device and just click and go to the remove part, and this OK. Now face is getting removed from this section. And now if you want to remove the slide, remove and then yes button. So therefore all thing is getting removed. Now again extra terms are there, so directly type to the text button. Here you have to type your text. Type of your, first you have to type some text. I am going to write about this part, go corona. Here click here. Here you are going to change the type of the font, here font style, and here size of the font. So whenever you select any at the sample, all going is there. Now here number of options are there, underline options, striking options. So click on OK button. Now go to the down. Now here text transform, uppercase means all are in capital, lowercase all in lowercase, and third number is very simple, that is called start case, means starting alphabet is getting capital and remaining are in small. So it is under the text transform start case. Text transform start case. Here it is possible to change the color of your text. Select any color, click on OK button. Now check the color is getting changed. Now background color is again one option is there, background color. So go to the select color, initially this color, go to the select color, select any color of your interest, click on OK button. Now check background opacity. So go the right hand side, check at the background, the color is going to change, and whenever you are moving left hand side, that part is getting removed or the color of background getting changed. So again number of options are there, it is not possible to go for all. So click on OK button. Now check your particular terms is here, means text is here. So by using your cursor it is possible to change the shape and size, or other options are there. Go to the transform, fit to the screen, this go corona or any text is getting fixed to the screen. Again go to the same part, flip horizontal, the text is changed to horizontal. Again go to the flip vertical, it is changed to basic positions. So this one is very important. So reduce the size of this go corona text, any text. Again use some type of filters for that purpose. So go to the filter section, number of options are there, use the scroll, click on OK button, horizontal speed and vertical speed. So if you are changing to right hand side direction, the text is moving horizontally. By your interest, you are going to change this text. So 500 option, 500 speed up to 500 is there. Now change up to, if you need no animations, change it to 4. Now vertical speed, click on vertical speed arrow. Your text is horizontal movement is also there and vertical speed is also there. Horizontal speed 4, now change to 0. Check, only moving in vertical speed. Click on close button. Now check, your text is moving in vertical direction. So it is possible to change all the shape and size by using the cursor. Along with this text, if you have to add some image, click here, click on the image, OK, click on the browse button, then select any image. Now your text, it is at the back side. So first check at the order. If the order is, I am select the first number, so simple terms is there. Select your image, reduce the size. Select the image, reduce the size by using your cursor. First click on that particular text, reduce the size. So this is your image part and this one is your text. So image and text. Try more combination of OBS. In this faculty development program, only little information is provided regarding the OBS. Try more combination, try to find more setting in OBS. Thank you.